food adventure. And I'm so excited to be part of this group right now. So please watch this video.
Our first stop or our top food trip is the Seventh Heaven Sky Lounge, and we're gonna have their barcada platter with some beer or soft drinks. So check this out. So hi guys, you might be wondering why I'm in Tops right now with three beautiful ladies. So actually we have a visitor from out of town, Fat. So they're actually my former office mates in Robinson. So let me introduce them to you one by one. So this is Carrie.
Hi everyone!
She's currently with Robinson's Land Corporation. So if you have inquiries about condominiums or Robinson's Land, look for her. Just go to the counter there and tell them I'm looking for Carrie. Okay, remember that? So this is Pat, the Little Pina Explorer. She's a nurse and also a blogger. So she's the Little Pina Explorer. So she goes around town, mostly in late summer area is her content right now. But she also been to different places like you went to Mountain Province, right? Before?
No, not Mountain. It's
Sagada, right?
Sagada,
Oh, Sagada.
yes.
So what's your channel again? I mean your page?
Yes, that's littlepinaexplorer.com and Little Pina Explorer and Facebook.
Cool. And finally, we're here with Bev. So she's working for an IT company, but she's also taking up law right now in one of the proud Cobra here.
Cobra.
Yes.
Mag-ubi siya until
So their barcada platter includes tempura or kikiam, wings and fries. But normally this has calamares too. But since they ran out of it, so we'll have tempura. So, hi guys, we just had the Seventh Heaven barcada platter. Really enjoying it. We love the tempura, the chicken wings, of course, and the French fries. But since this is a food trip, we're gonna go to another place here in Tops. So check this out. So after going to the Seventh Heaven, we're going to Korea now, and we're having some japaguri and also some pork belly barbecue. So here's the japaguri.
Japaguri, ulang. Oh, I'm sorry.
So it's like we're going to have like a spicy noodle challenge right now, and this one's a bit mild though. But the noodles here, because it's so cold here and it's spicy, it's perfect. Perfect. It's the perfect food here. We had a fantastic food trip here at Tops. And by the way, guys, what will you say, girls?
Thank you for watching Kalami Cebu. Till our next